Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making lemon poppy seed mini muffins. Here we have the great combination of tangy lemon with the subtle crunch of poppy seeds, making this a great snack or breakfast option. And the best part is that it makes plenty. So let's get started. All right, so let's dive right into this recipe. First off, we're going to preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. And in a large bowl, we're going to add in 2/3 cups worth of granulated white sugar with the zest of 1 lemon and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter that's been melted. You want to whisk those together until they're all well combined. And this should take about 2 to 3 minutes by hand. You also want to add in 2 large eggs, 3/4 cups worth of honey Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons worth of lemon juice or the juice of 1 lemon, and whisk those together until they've just combined. And once your mix looks like this, you want to add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk those together until they're just combined as well. Now you want to add in 2 cups worth of all-purpose flour and fold in the flour as well as 1 tablespoon's worth of poppy seeds into the batter until the batter just forms. You don't want to overmix this. You want to mix it just until the flour is absorbed. The muffins will turn out dense if you overmix it. Now we're going to spray a mini muffin pan with a non-stick cooking spray. This recipe makes 24 mini muffins. And you want to divide the batter equally amongst all the muffin cups, filling them to the top. We're going to bake these for 12 to 14 minutes. And the tops of the muffins will have risen and domed, and the edges will be a light golden brown. You want to remove them from the oven and allow those to cool. And separately, in a medium-sized bowl, you want to add in 1 cup's worth of powdered sugar, as well as 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or the juice of 1/2 a lemon. Whisking those together to create our glaze. We're going to drizzle this glaze all over the mini muffins, and with that final step, these are ready to be served and enjoyed. Congrats, you've made lemon poppy seed mini muffins right at home. The lemon glaze is an optional step, but it really does add a great layer of flavor. I can't wait for you guys to try these out. They are all light and airy. You can't have just one. They'll be gone before you know it. And so when you do try this recipe at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 5, Mastering Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make these muffins, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you click that subscribe button too to not miss out on any new recipes. And sharing is caring, so if you enjoyed this recipe and think someone else will too, feel free to share this with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I show you an elevated entree dish, my grilled octopus. This is really tasty. I know some of you might be hesitant to try this, but once you cook it, I promise you'll be a fan. Well, thanks again for watching. I truly do appreciate it. You can always check out more recipes on my page now. YouTube thinks you'll like these videos. Let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.